ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯕꯤꯔꯀꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯊꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯅꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯣꯇꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯦ so with me I have today an amazing guest Agathe. So how are you doing today?
Perfect. I'm so excited to record this video with you.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. So basically what we're trying to do is we have 10 questions in front of you. So we just play a short game and you are going to teach me French and I'm going to teach you Manipuri. So before I go on for the game, I'll just tell you. So I'm from a place which is one of the northeastern states of India. So it's like in the far northeastern states of India. So I'm not going to teach you Hindi. That's a different language.
Okay.
So it's called Manipuri. It's a rare and like completely different, starting from the accent, the words and everything is completely different. So I'm going to teach you that language, my mother tongue, and you're going to teach me French. If you win this game, like if you can pronounce the exact same way as I pronounce, I have a gift for you.
Okay.
So
give me that gift.
Yeah. So let's start off with the game. So the first word is how are you, right? Nang nungairibo.
Nang
Okay, I'm going on for the second time. Nang nungairibo.
Nang nuai.
Yeah.
Nang nuai bo.
Oh yeah, I'm going to go slow again. Nang nungairibo.
Nang
Ngai.
ribo.
Oh yeah, perfect. That's nice.
That's so different than French.
It's like a tongue twister. Yeah, it's your turn now. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna tell you how are you in French.
Yeah.
Comment vas-tu?
Okay. That's not what I learned. Comment vas-tu?
Comment
vas-tu?
Comment vas-tu?
Comment vas-tu? Ah, perfect.
That's good. Good job.
And the next word is what is your name? I'm going to speak in a little respectful way. Let's go word by word. Adom. Gi. Ming. Kari. Kari. Kaubige. Yeah, that's that. Like in sentence, if you can remember, Adom gi ming kari kaubige.
Adom giri.
That's so wonderful. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, it's a go now.
That sounds so different.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah. Comment
tu t'appelles? Good job.
Oh,
That was perfect.
Hey.
I think you're gonna win the game.
No. Comment tu t'appelles. So the next is. So I'm coming to the next one. It's have you had your meal? So Adom. Chak. Chabirabo. Wow, exactly. Like
That was
exact
good,
pronunciation. Yeah. Chabirabo. Are you from Manipur?
Actually.
Yeah, you go.
I can teach you how to say I'm hungry.
Oh yeah.
You ready for that?
Yeah, there's some languages that we don't really have the exact words, right? Like they don't really. Have you had your meal? Do you have the exact?
Est-ce que tu as mangé?
Oh shit.
Have you had your meal?
Oh,
That's
okay.
a little complicated now.
I'll try it.
Est-ce que tu as mangé? That's good.
I'm from France.
Good. Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
Paris, right?
Paris, yeah, I'm from
Yeah.
Paris. Yeah, my mom
I
is
knew
from
it,
there.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So next question is where are you from? Adom. Kari. Lamdagi. No.
No? Oh.
Yeah.
No. That's okay.
Yeah. Adom kari lamdagi no. It's like can you try in a full sentence?
Okay,
Like Adom kari lamdagi no.
Adom gari lamdagino.
Oh wow, that's exactly.
Where are you from, right?
Yeah, no wonder why you're brilliant. Yeah, you go for it.
I'm on vacation. Je suis en vacances.
Je suis.
Je suis.
Je suis.
Je.
Je.
Je. That's a good one. Je
suis
en
vacances. Ah,
je suis en vacances.
Oh, wow.
C'est je suis en vacances.
Je suis rare.
Yeah.
Je suis rare.
Totally.
No, exactly. Everyone said this is it's so fast. Yeah, the next sentence. So we go for it. You are beautiful. Adom. Aduki. Matik.
Mate.
Fajay.
Fajay.
It's like you're so beautiful. Yeah.
Thank
you. Yeah.
Okay.
So how do you say you're beautiful in French?
In French, you would say, like for a man or for a woman?
Yeah,
men?
let's go for both.
For both?
Yeah,
For
man,
men,
yeah.
would be tu es beau.
Tu es beau.
Tu es beau.
Tu es beau.
For a
Thank
woman,
you.
for a woman, it would be tu es belle.
Tu es belle.
Yeah.
Tu es belle.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. That's what I say.
Yeah, 6. So it's a short one. So it's like I don't know. In Manipuri, it's gonna be I kangde.
I kangde.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, I kangde.
kangde.
Yeah, it's like the expression itself is really correct. Like I kangde. Like I don't know.
That's my new word. I kangde.
I kangde. And I don't know. I kangde.
So in French, it would be je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas.
Je. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Je ne sais pas.
Oh yeah. It's like when you're a kid, like your mom is to do zzz, and you go for pee, right? Zzz, like when you can't pee, like zzz, something.
What? No.
Oh, we do that. We do that back in India. Like
Oh, yeah?
when a kid doesn't know how to pee or like can't pee, like zzz,
Oh, we do like psst.
oh, psst. Yeah, psst.
Like
we
to help the kid
no,
like
yeah,
pee?
yeah. We do zzz, zzz. No, yours is like psst, right? Oh, ours
Yeah,
like
you start with
psst. Oh yeah, ours like zzz. Next one is I know, so it's gonna be I kangi.
I kangi.
Oh yeah, it's kangi is like I know. The first one that you said, I don't know, is like kangde.
Kangde.
I is like I.
I kangde.
Yeah,
I kangi.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah?
How do you say
Yeah.
I know in French?
In French, you would say je sais.
Je sais.
Je sais.
Je sais. Yeah.
Je.
Je.
Je. Je sais.
Je sais.
Je sais.
Oh, perfect.
Je ne sais pas et je sais.
Ah, je ne sais pas, je sais. Perfect.
Good job.
And like, the next one is like number 8. So it's like it's so testy, right? So it's gonna be Masi am hao kreda. Masi.
That's so long.
Masi
Masi.
yamna
Yamna.
hao kreda.
How keda.
Hao kre.
How kreda.
Kre.
Kreda.
Yeah, kreda. Hao kreda.
Masi.
Masi
Masi.
yamna
Yamna how
kreda.
kreda.
Oh, perfect. That's crazy. Yeah.
Oh, that's so weird how like.
It's so short and it's so long,
yeah,
right?
it's so long. It changed so much. It's so tasty. That's weird in French because like we don't say that exactly.
Mhm,
But
yeah. So you're near about.
like in Québécois, let's say c'est très
C'est très,
très
très
goûteux.
goûteux. C'est très goûteux.
C'est très goûteux.
C'est très goûteux. C'est
Oh,
très goûteux.
c'est très goûteux. That was
C'est
perfect.
très goûteux.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
that was great.
perfect. I'm from France. Yeah. Oh, like next one is gonna be very funny. 9 is like, oh shit. Okay, oh shit is gonna be like. There's a pretty famous dialogue. Like there's like we have a big movie industry over there, right? So it's one of the biggest dialogues over there. Like oh shit, you know, like. So I'm gonna tell you, we accent like, dasani, like that. It's like oh shit,
That's so
right?
cool.
Das.
Das Hani.
That's
Like
perfect.
crap.
Like you go for the first syllable like a little bit long, like dasani, like that.
Das Hani.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So how do you say in French? Oh shit.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
Merde.
Merde. Oh.
Merde.
Merde. Oh my
Or you
god.
can say oh merde.
Oh merde.
Like oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh merde.
That's beautiful. So I guess let's go for the last one. It's OMZ, right? So we don't really have OMZ like because it's an international word OMZ, but we don't really have OMZ. But we say out like some people say out in the name of God, but for us we say in the name of my mom. So like Imao. Can you say that?
Of course I can say that.
Oh, Imao.
Oh, Imao.
Oh yeah, perfect. It's like oh my mom. Like I don't know how to say like oh my mom. Like Imao. Like because when we're scared or surprised to do anything, like anything uneven, we call our mom. So basically that's what we do. So how do you say it?
Like because you respect them.
Oh yeah, it's like yeah, basically
like
something.
God
like
and mom.
Yeah, maybe about that too. Yeah.
Well, in French we would say oh mon Dieu.
Oh mon Dieu.
Like oh mon Dieu.
Oh mon Dieu. Oh mon Dieu.
I'm telling you, you're French. That's it. Ask for your citizenship.
Yeah.
You're good. You'll be fine.
Yeah. And yeah, so that's pretty much for today. And yeah, as I promised earlier, you were very much catchy towards my language. You were so perfect. So literally, this is a thing. It's one of the biggest handicraft from my region. So it'll be an honor if I give it to you because we give this to our respected guests. It's a local made thing back there. So I let my parents send this here. So just for this one. So. Yeah, this is.
Well, I am honored to receive this from you.
Yeah, so yeah, it's like this here. So whenever you feel cold, wear that. Yeah, so you can wear this scarf. Like you can take it as a memento, or like I don't know. It's all yours now. Yeah, it's completely handmade. Like
yeah,
that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have anything like French. But now that you have the citizenship and the nice accent,
yeah,
you're French. That's
oh yeah,
it.
I'm
So
French.
hi, French.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much. I love it.
That's pretty much for today. And ngasigi program asi kamai tawbage haibadu makhada comment amasung feedback oina makhada video asi makhada pibiyu aduga ahanbada sigi program je sumaina loan amaga exchange tawraga khangbaje sin ahanbani aina sigi program je tawrise aduna mathangda karamba country gi mi karamba lam gi mi ga wari sana hange haibadu makhada comment na drop tawraga khangan birau adona program sibu loy faw miyeng tabi bagi de makta mayambu khurumjai